Okay, I've been waiting to make this video for a long time. One of our chickens laid this enormous egg, and it's actually been a few weeks since it was laid because I just have not been brave enough to open it. Let's see, it was laid on 4/18, and I'm a little bit scared. I'm going to try to open it today, and we're going to see what's inside. And it looks like there's somebody inscribed a letter J there, which is interesting. I did not do that. This is an enormous egg. I think it was laid by one of our buff Brahmas, but I'm not 100% sure. And just for comparison, this is a regular sized egg that another one of our chickens laid. And you can see the size difference there. It's kind of crazy. Just for kicks and giggles, I'm gonna measure this. Here's a ruler, and we're gonna go by this inside one here. So it's good 3 inches long and almost 2 inches wide. That is a big egg. Just for comparison, this little egg, yeah, just over 2 by. So this is like this egg is like twice as big as the other one. It's wild. Look at that. And just for fun, let's go ahead and see how much this guy weighs. Maybe you can see that display there. This is a gram scale. Let's just see if we can get it on there without it rolling off. There's that weird J. Okay. 80.4 grams. Wow. That is such a big egg. 80 grams. Okay. Just for comparison, let's see what this little egg weighs. Oh. Oh my gosh. It doesn't want to stay on. There we go. 43. So literally almost twice as big as a normal egg. I felt so bad for that hen. That is so crazy. And just look at the difference between these two. It's like did this really come from the same species? So I've heard different, I've seen different videos of big eggs getting cracked, and sometimes you can find a double yolker, sometimes it's a triple yolker, and in some videos I've seen there be an entire egg on the inside of the egg, like they break open the shell and there's a whole nother egg with a complete shell on the inside. I'm not sure what we're gonna find here, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. Now, I have never seen an egg this big. This is by far the biggest egg we've had from our chickens, and the biggest egg that I've ever held in my hands. I've never seen an egg this big. This is indeed a chicken egg, but it's big enough to be like a goose egg or something. But all right, today's the day. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Not sure the best way to crack it open. I guess I'll just okay. Maybe get it a little bit more on this side. Oh. Oh, wow. Okay, that was a double yolker. That's what was inside this egg. Wow. The biggest egg I've ever seen. and 2 large yolks. Y'all, this is gonna be my breakfast. Those are 2 fully formed, full-sized egg yolks from this enormous chicken egg. Look at that. All right. Thanks for watching. That's it.